From the behaviors that are in the show, and even the music that was composed in the show, it all came from the animal itself.
That takes you back to the day where you first imagined wanting to get into the water with a killer whale. That's exactly the reason why we do this.
And we understand that we are, in essence, ambassadors for humankind interacting with this species of animal.
One drop of water.
The show is titled Believe. It is a magnificent display of the incredible bond between man and killer whale. Two worlds, two different species, trying to bridge the gap between them. And how do you bridge that gap? You believe.
It was before every creature walking the land and dancing.
Believe opens in all 3 SeaWorld locations this spring.